Ty just left the room. He thinks he's going downstairs to write his vows. He has no idea that when he comes up, he's going to be completely wet because we're getting ready to throw you in the pool. Got Flu in the background right here. He's in on it.
You know what's about to happen.
Yeah, so it's about to go down a real major way to be the last time diving in the water as a single man. Don't fight it. Just embrace it. Because if you fight back, it's going to be even worse. You're going in, and let's go. And I'm smoking in the mirror now.
You don't got no phone. You don't got
because if you fight back, it's going to be even worse.
Take his